Welcome to Online Education 360. Today we are going to show you how to make a infographic like this in PowerPoint. This is our human infographic. So we are going to learn how to make this kind of infographic in Microsoft PowerPoint easily. So let's begin the topic. Here, first of all, I have to take a blank slide. Actually the new slide. After inserting a blank slide, go to design, go to format background, go to solid fill and color. Here I am using a background color. Then we have to draw a man and woman shape. So here I am going to the blank slide, go to insert, go to shape, pick a rectangle rounded corner shape, draw over here. Just resize it, go to insert, shape, pick another shape, go to shape outline, no outline. Here I am clicking this one, shape outline, no outline. Now I have to adjust, click Ctrl D for duplicate, rotate it and make it more rounded. Go to shape outline, no outline. Now this is good. I have to click Ctrl D and going to this side. Now it's look good. I have to click Ctrl D to duplicate. I have to click Ctrl key and make a copy and paste it over here. I have to just adjust it. Here I have to go to insert, going to shape, go to oval shape and click Ctrl Shift and draw a oval shape here. Then I have to go shape outline, no outline. Now I have to click Ctrl A and drag it over here. Then again I have to go to insert, going to shape, pick a trapezoid shape and drag it over here. Then I have to copy this shape by pressing Ctrl button and drag it over here. Again I am copying this one and adjust it by rotating. Now it looks good. Ctrl D to duplicate and paste it over here and adjust with this one. Ctrl D to duplicate and paste it over here. Again Ctrl D to duplicate and paste it over here. Ctrl D to duplicate and paste it over here. You can resize it. Now it looks good. Then I have to select all the shapes and place it over here. Now I am selecting all the shapes and going to shape format, merge shape, union. Now I have to resize this one and place it over here. Then I have to resize this shape by pressing shift button, place it over here. Similarly, I am selecting all the shapes and going to shape format, merge shape, click on union and let me resize it and place it over here. Now go to insert, go to shape and pick a rectangle and drag it over here and make sure the shapes covers the whole slide. Shape outline, no outline and shape fill this color and send it to back. Now I have to select the background shape and this shape and going to format shape and click on subtract. Similarly, I have to select the background shape and these shapes and going to merge shape and subtract. Now I have to insert another shape, go to shape, going to rectangle and drag it over here and give a fill color, shape outline, no outline, shape fill, this fill and send it to back. Similarly, click on Ctrl D to duplicate and drag it over here and resize it and change the shape fill. I have to select this fill and click on this and send to back. Then I have to add some text. I am going to insert, go to shape, go to text box. I have to draw a text box, 58 man 65%. Change the font. I have to use the uppercase. Change the font size. Let me go to shape and line shape and drag it over here. Go to shape outline with this outline. I am going to my previous slide and copy this text and going to this slide and insert shape a text box and drag it over here and paste it here. I have to change the font size and make it justified. Again I have to change the font color to this color. Let me select all the shapes and click on Ctrl and copy and paste it over here. Here I have to write and make it wider. Here I have to copy the text from here and paste it over here. I have to add another shape, that is a text box, and drag it over here and write man infographic. Place it middle of the slide and make the font size more bigger. I am using this font and change the font color. Now I have to add some animations. I am selecting these shapes and going to animation, add animation and click on fly in. Going to animation pane, going to effect option, smooth in. Okay. If I want to watch the preview, here is the preview. I have to increase the duration 1 second. If I watch the preview, this is good. Then I have to select this text, going to add animation, going to font color, start, after previous and effect, this color. Now I am selecting this shape, go to add animation, select on wipe, one click after previous and select text, go to add animation, font color, effect option, this color. So if I want to watch the preview, click on slideshow. I have to click this on, going to after previous. Now it is okay. Then we have to go animation painter, click on this shape, animation painter, click on this one. Going to this shape, click on this shape, animation painter, click on this shape. This one, animation painter, this one. And click on this box, animation painter, this one. Now I have to change the effect option. I have to select this color and then I have to select this color. If I want to watch the slideshow, what will happen? Here then now the slide sounds good. So if you want to learn more PowerPoint videos, please subscribe our channels and share this video with your friends and family. And if you want to download project file, the link will be given in the description box. So goodbye.